Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at how to sign into Roblox fast and, just as importantly, how to do it safely. We've all been there, right? You get a new console, a new tablet, you're over at a friend's house, and bam! You're stuck trying to remember that super complicated password you created like a year ago. It's a total pain. Well, we're gonna fix that today. Okay, let's talk about the solution. It's called Roblox Quick Login, and honestly, it's a game changer. It's this awesome feature that lets you get into your account on a new device without ever typing in your password. You just use a device you're already logged into to give it the green light. It's fast, it's modern, and it's way more secure than you might think.
All right, so let's jump right into the first method, which is probably the most popular way to do this. Using a quick login code. It is super easy. Let's break it down.
The main thing you gotta remember here is that this is a two-device process. You're gonna start on the new device you wanna log into, and then you'll hop over to your trusted device, your phone or your main computer, to finish the job.
So on your new device, say your Xbox or new laptop, just open up Roblox and click Login. But instead of typing anything, look for an option that says something like Use another device. You click that, and boom, a unique 6-digit code pops right up on the screen. Think of it like a temporary key.
Now, this is super important. That code is on a timer. You've only got 5 minutes to use it before it expires. This is a security feature, of course, so someone can't just find an old code and use it. So you gotta be kinda quick about it.
Okay, now grab the device you're already signed into, go to your settings, find the quick login section, and just type in that 6-digit code from the other screen. Hit enter and you'll see a final prompt asking you to grant full account access. You click that and you're golden. The new device is in. Easy peasy.
All right, if you thought that was fast, hold on, there's an even quicker method, scanning a QR code. This is perfect if you've got your phone with you.
So, the new device will show you a QR code on the login screen. All you have to do is pull out your phone, open the regular camera app, and just point it at the screen. A little notification will pop up on your phone, you tap it, hit approve, and that's it. You are literally logged in. We're talking seconds.
Now, Quick Login is fantastic, for sure. But, it's not the only way to get into your account. It's always smart to have a plan B and a plan C in your back pocket, just in case.
So, of course, you've got the classic login, just your username or email plus your password. But another really great one is the Email Me a One-Time Code option. If you click that, Roblox will just send a temporary login code straight to your email, so you can still get in without your password. It's a great backup.
So to kind of sum it all up, here's a little cheat sheet. The QR code is hands down the fastest way to get from your phone to your computer, like 30 seconds flat. The quick login code is perfect for things like consoles. And of course, the username and email options are your reliable fallbacks. Just pick the right tool for the job.
Okay, we've covered all the ways to get in, but what happens when things don't work? And maybe more importantly, how do we keep the wrong people out? So let's shift gears a bit and talk about troubleshooting and keeping your account safe.
So, if Quick Login is acting up, don't panic. Just run through this mental checklist. 9 times out of 10, it's something simple. Is the internet working on both devices? Did you maybe type the code wrong, or did that 5-minute timer just run out? Usually, just starting over with a new code fixes it.
And if it's the old school login that's giving you grief, here's another list for you. First things first, check status.roblox.com. Sometimes the problem isn't you at all, it's Roblox. If that's all good, try clearing your browser's cache or maybe turning off an ad blocker for a second, because sometimes those extensions can cause issues.
And this is really the main point I want to drive home. Roblox has made getting into your account super convenient, but we have to remember that our #1 job is keeping other people out. That part is absolutely crucial. So here's what you need to do. These are the non-negotiables. The single most important thing here is to enable 2-step verification. It is a lifesaver. Beyond that, use a strong password that you don't use anywhere else, make sure your email is verified, and please always log out if you're on a shared or public computer.
Now for the flip side. These are the huge red flags, the things you should never, ever do. Do not enter a quick login code that somebody else gives you. They're trying to steal your account. Plain and simple. Don't click weird links for free stuff, and never share your screen with anyone when you're logging in.
All right, let's wrap this up with some final pro tips. We've got some good advice here for both players and for parents, just to make sure the whole experience is as safe and easy as possible.
I really want to pause on this one for a second because it's just so important. If anyone, I don't care if it's your best friend, asks you for a login code, the answer is always no. There is no legitimate reason for them to ask. They are almost certainly trying to get into your account. Your codes are for you and you alone.
So here's your action plan. Go into your Roblox settings, find the Security tab, and turn on two-step verification. Using an authenticator app is by far the most secure way to do it. After that, add an account PIN. It's a simple 4-digit code that acts like a lock on your settings so nobody can change your password or email without it. And hey, for all the parents watching, this slide is just for you. Please use your child's actual birth date so Roblox can apply the right safety settings. Link your email address to their account for recovery, not theirs. And most importantly, just talk to them about why they should never, ever share their password with anyone.
And that really brings us to the final thought here. Your Roblox account, it's not just a login. It's your digital world, right? It's full of all the stuff you've created, the progress you've made, the friends you've connected with. So it's worth taking a second to ask yourself, are you really doing enough to protect it? Thanks for hanging out with me on the How to Tech Hacks channel. Don't forget to subscribe and stay curious. The future of technology is just getting started.